I'm just one of the many referrals from Angela. She's my aunt, and I was really desperate for answers. Starting in July, I was having a lot of debilitating nerve pain and facial spasms, and I was just being given medications over and over again, different medications that weren't doing anything. I was diagnosed with MS, but they weren't able to get me into a neurologist, they said, for 2 or up to even 4 months. So I was just sitting around waiting for answers. And as soon as I told Angela about my condition, she immediately made the connections with Dr. Romero. And he, over the weekend, was able to meet with me over Zoom and have a consultation, and said it was very urgent that I needed to come see him. So within that week, I was able to get into his beautiful clinic, and they started a treatment protocol immediately, and I'm already feeling better. This is my first time here, and I'm so excited for my future now because I have the answers that I desperately needed. And so far the outcome is going to be that it's not MS and not ALS, but rather an autoimmune disease. So I would highly recommend, if you're going through anything similar to what I was just going through and you just want answers, I've been so pleased with everything that I've seen so far, and I can't wait for my future treatment.